Previously on Wacky Wood Works. Future project. There's going to be a new tool there. Yeah, new tool. Yeah.
Let's go and make something.
Ooh, 500 on a French cleat might be. Bye. Right, since I don't have my bandsaw and it's still away for repairs, I'm going to have to use a jigsaw, aren't I? That made it look like I knew what I was doing. So if I think about this, I do miss my other bench, however, there is plans in my little brain, so I'm still going the right way. Yes! Dramatic scene. So that goes there, and that's just the final brace, so that when it's on the wall, it pushes down against that. I've just got to glue that on. Actually, we'll cut it to size and make it look pretty, won't we? Won't we? So I just gave that bit of wood a bit of a sand up. Now squeeze out. Got ya. Maybe I should have got my little gun out. Got ya. Ooh, shit. And I didn't miss. Sweet. Yes, Dale, come on, think about it, Dale. I have a habit of not pre-drilling and then regretting it. I just made it big enough. Like so. So this is where it's going to live, hanging on the French cleat, and I can actually use it here. However, on the side of my bench here, the next plans is to actually redo my bench top and everything. And on the side here, I'm going to put a French cleat, and I'm going to have a bench extension that will hang off the French cleat, and or I can swap it out for the sander. Kia kaha, stay strong, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.